Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Bash and this is Nomad Scrambler. Today I hope you got everything that you asked for from your Christmas lists. That's right, it's a Christmas episode for you, and it's actually September. I am pre-filming this video months in advance. I got a video coming out soonish that will explain everything and why there's only been one video a month, and I want to save that story until that video. For now, I just want to say thank you for all of the support that you have given the channel. It's been amazing. You guys have been killing it on TikTok and Instagram as well, and I just can't thank you enough. So hopefully 2024 is the year that we can take this channel to the next level. We'll see, I guess. I'm optimistic. I'm so pumped for it. 2024 is going to bring so many changes to the channel. You aren't going to believe what's going on. That's it for now, though. Like the video, subscribe if you aren't already, and ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you in 2024. Peace.